lovers, how you guys doing? So I'm going to be talking about this effective supplement that can help whitening up your skin, treat your skin, and give you that glowing and uniform skin. So if you have used the product that damaged your skin, just watch this video to the very end because this video is for you. Okay, if today is the first time you're stopping by, hi, my name is Pride. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a video. And if you're a returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for choosing okay, so the supplement I'm going to be talking about is this Python collagen, guys. This is a Python booster, and this is a Python collagen. And within these two supplements, guys, I recommend this a lot because this is more effective to compare this. As you can see, I am taking this already. Let me show you guys. This is it. So I am taking this already, and this is 1 week of me taking this supplement. And guys, believe me, I love what I'm seeing. Like, it's very effective. You don't need to use like 3 before you get the perfect results you want. Okay, only if you are not using lotion, you're not using anything on your skin, you depend on supplements. Maybe you are tired of using a product on your skin, you're tired because product hardly work on your skin. But believe me, if you're taking this supplement along with that product, you're going to see a different result. Okay, so like you guys know, it's not possible for you to get that glowing, spotless and flawless skin without supplements. You know, most vendors don't recommend supplements to their customers. Why? Because they want them keep on coming to buy their whitening kits or half-cast kits, believing that with that kit they're going to get that uniform and, you know, glowing skin. So I'm not trying to say that your cream or your soap or your vendors or product are not working, but what I'm trying to say is that when you include a supplement on that product, supplement will help you to brightening up or whitening up your skin from in to out, while the product you're using will whiten up the surface of your skin. You understand? So if you want to glow, most especially if you're a dark skin type just like me, I engage myself a lot on supplement because I know how black I was before. So to avoid having a irritated skin, to avoid having stretch mark, green vein and all that, I try to engage myself on supplements. Some people hardly believe me when I said I was very black because you're not going to notice it because of what I engage myself on supplements. So if you want to get a glowing skin, to get the flawless skin, you need supplements. So this one I have here, I just want to explain something to you guys. So if you've been hearing Python collagen, you might go to the market and they will give you this. Yeah, this is a Python booster, this is a Python collagen, and this is more effective. This helps to whiten up your skin within 7 days, like just 7 days. This will whiten up your skin, but not that whitening. It's not a lotion or soap, so this is a supplement. But within that 7 days, you notice that you're using something and it will give you a lot of changes. You understand? So this Python collagen is very effective. It helps to fade away hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, edges, whitening your skin, glow your skin, anti-inflammatory. Like guys, this is very good. And for the fact that it contains glutathione, is the best. Sometimes you might be using a product and the product is not working for you. Maybe you give it to your daughter, and when your daughter uses the product, you see how the product works perfectly on them. That is because their collagen is still active. So the more you grow, the more the collagen in you gets down. So you need to activate it by taking a supplement that contains collagen. Okay, it also helps you on your bone. Okay, so it's very nice. Okay, so if you want to try this, guys, believe me, you're going to get a very super effective result, and it's going to glow your skin within 7 days. Okay, and we have this available in our store. So this one here is a Python booster. Yeah, so this Python booster is nice as well, but not to compare this. I've taken this before and I'm taking this, and I've seen the difference between both. Okay, how effective and fast result this gave me. This takes more longer than this. Okay, so that is just it. Even on this they wrote king of whitening. That shows you how effective it is. Like super effective it is. And this one here is a whitening, anti-aging, pigmentation and glowing and acne. So this one too is very nice. Depending the one that works for you, you can try the both and see the one that you are okay with, the one that you get the best result from. Okay, but for me, I love this. It's working for me. It's giving me what I want. Okay, so if you have this and you don't know how to take it, there is a spoon inside. Okay, there is a spoon inside. So that spoon, this is it. So this is the spoon. So all you have to do is when you wake up in the morning, first thing in the morning after your exercise, you just boil your hot water. Don't let the water to boil too much, just a lukewarm water. Then you take 1 teaspoon of this into your cup. It comes with a cup, okay, 250 milk cup. Okay, so just take a full spoon. You just take full spoon of this, pour your hot water, your warm water, and mix it together and take it. Okay, and it's not bitter, it's very, very sweet. Right? So you can go ahead and try this supplement. Honestly, it works for me. It has been working for my customers, and it works for me as well. So if you want to try, you have been looking for a supplement to try, just give this a try. It's very, very effective, like super, super effective. Okay, you can go ahead and try this. Honestly, it's gonna work for you. A product hardly work on your skin. Just give it a try, and believe me, within 2 weeks or 1 week, you're gonna get the best result. Okay, so let me know what you think about this supplement. Maybe you take it before and it's not working for you, or it works for you. Just let me know under the comment section. Okay, let's chat under the comment section. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications. See you guys on my next video. Bye.